Are you looking for a pre-built gaming desktop? In this video, I will show you the best pre-built gaming desktops under $1,000 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the Skytech Blaze II. The Skytech Blaze II packs a powerful punch. A solid gaming PC with a 6-core Ryzen 5 2600 handles multi-thread loads, while the powerfully capable NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 video card cranks out high frames. The Blaze II, one of the best pre-built PCs for gaming, makes short work out of AAA titles and competitive multiplayer at solid 1080p, HD+, and 4K resolutions. Achieve high frame rate performance on high/ultra 1080p graphics settings for games like Apex Legends, PUBG, Overwatch and Fortnite. Command high performance for the most intense AAA titles like The Division 2, Rise of the Tomb Raider, and GTA V. Your PC is built to play the biggest games of today and upgradable for the games of tomorrow. Easily upgrade your PC and get game ready for today's most popular games, and even faster with modern titles. Get amazing performance and image quality while live streaming to Twitch or YouTube. GTX 1660Ti and 1660S dedicated hardware encoders deliver 15% improved efficiency over prior generation graphics cards and are optimized for open broadcaster software. The fourth product on the list is the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is optimized for gaming and is also VR ready. The Intel CPU and high-performance GPU gives the computer the raw power it needs to function at a high level. Added on, the high-speed memory and large hard drive gives the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR all the space needed to only focus on gaming. This system has been tested to meet the requirements to support VR gaming for both the HTC Vive with Steam VR and the Oculus Rift VR. Virtual reality gaming is the next evolution in gaming, and CyberPowerPC systems are ready to bring you the immersive experience that VR has to offer. VR hardware and accessories show here not included and sold separately. Break down boundaries and step into your game with graphics more stunning than ever before with the new DirectX 12 technology. Windows 10's API is armed with new features that will provide quicker processing in real time to generate higher FPS and richer graphics, as well as reduced power consumption to play longer. The third product on the list is the iBUYPOWER Element MR9320. While similar in specs, each PC case within the Mr. series features a strikingly different aesthetic design. The Element MR is designed with a familiar flat face, while the Slate and Trace MR both have three-dimensional crystalline shapes. The Slate MR is constructed with three separate asymmetrical tempered glass panels, while the Trace MR is composed of clean edges that come together to form a symmetrical trapezoid. Each Mr. Gaming Tower features tempered glass front and side panels with a partial mirror finish, aiding to the illusion of a mirror by reflecting its surroundings when powered OFF. Illuminate and showcase your gaming rig's internals with 4 RGB fans, designed to keep your system cool while you lock in for the grind ahead. The second product on the list is the Skytech Shadow. Darkness reigns supreme, and the next generation Shadow is perfectly optimized for 1080p gaming. With Intel's 9th Gen Core i5 CPUs and NVIDIA 16 series graphics, you get speed and power that dominates the most popular games of 2019 with buttery smooth frame rates. Blazing fast 3000 MHz memory and 500 GB SSD hard drive give you the speed and space packed in an incredible high-value gaming rig. Tackle demanding games with the 9th Gen Intel Core i5 processor inside. Dynamically increase the processor frequency when needed by taking advantage of thermal and power headroom for a burst of speed when you need it, and increased energy efficiency when you don't. Get amazing performance and image quality while live streaming. GTX 1660 improves efficiency over prior generation graphic cards and are optimized for open broadcaster software. Experience the breakthrough graphics performance of the award-winning NVIDIA Turing architecture with GeForce GTX 16 series graphics cards. The first product on the list is the Skytech Archangel. The latest evolution of Archangel is perfectly optimized for 1080p gaming. Rocking AMD's latest Ryzen 5 3rd Gen CPUs and NVIDIA 16 series graphics, you get speed and power that dominates the most popular games of 2019 with buttery smooth frame rates. Blazing fast 3000 MHz memory and 500 GB SSD hard drive give you the speed and space packed in an incredible high-value gaming rig. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.